Hi everyone, and welcome to another video from the AI/machine learning AWS brief description series. And in this video, we will talk about Amazon SageMaker. SageMaker is a very important service on AWS. Let's see the definition as per the documentation. So Amazon SageMaker, this is a fully managed service that data scientists and developers they can use in order to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. So let me give you an example. Let's say I want to create a machine learning model that can predict for me what will be, for example, the price of a certain apartment, for example. How can I build a model like this? In this case, this is what we call a regression use case. Regression means I would like to predict, for example, what will be the price of an apartment. In order for me to build a model like this, what do I need to do? I need to bring my data set. And the larger the data set that I have, then the more accurate I can help build my machine learning model. So I bring this data set, I pass my data set into my model in order for me to train it. And here you can use from the multiple algorithms that we have. And this depends on what kind of machine learning use case you're trying to solve. We can have a use case like a regression if you'd like to predict sales, if you'd like, for example, to predict what is the price of a unit, or you can have a machine learning use case like, for example, classification. I would like to classify if this transaction is fraud or not fraud, for example. That's an example of a classification. So what do I need to do? In order for me to build a machine learning model, I need data. I need lots of data. So I need to prepare my data set. I pass my data set into my machine learning model in order to train my machine learning model, in order for me to create my endpoint, and then I can use this endpoint for what we call inferences. So for example, I can say, you know what, that's the apartment, it's in this location, it has these dimensions, for example, can you please predict for me what is the price of this apartment? So for example, based on the data set that I have specified here, my machine learning model can predict what's the price of this apartment. And that's an example of what we call a regression problem, for example. I hope this is clear when we talk about the Amazon SageMaker. Please, if you have any question, put it for us in the comments section. Thank you so much.